This is the night of the blizzard of Chicago. The following day is a very clear and sunny day.
This is the
This is the front view of my home in Chicago, Illinois.
Today, Monday, February
2nd. A car owner is trying to dig up to extricate his car from the piles of snow. This is our backyard. On the second day of the storm, my son Kirk is walking in the middle of the street because the sidewalk is unpassable. The battery of his stalled car is being recharged, and its path is being cleared of snow. Chicago police officer Kick and my son Kirk are being dwarfed by a big pile of snow in this photo taken by Chicago police officer Smith. This is Joseph Gelariosa of the journal Global Links in Chicago, Illinois.